Guys, today I am going to say about the simple LR parsing. So here it is also called as the SLR parsing. Yes, LR parsing. So as the name itself, it says that simple LR parsing, but if you saw the method, it is very lengthy, but it is very simple, guys. As the name itself, it says that simple LR parsing, but while doing the process, it takes so much time to complete the process. So let us see that one example and how to compute this simple LR parsing. So they gave the two productions. These are the two productions and this is the input symbol. So for this process we are going to perform the simple LR parsing. So the first step is canonical collection of LR0 items. So canonical collections means all the final items should be collected. Final items means, guys, how they arrive I will say here. In the formation of canonical collection of LR of 0 items, the first thing is we need to write the augmented grammar. So how to write the augmented grammar, guys? See, for the starting symbol, we are going to add the same starting symbol with one slash or with one hyphen for it. That means it calls S dash. So S dash produces input symbol and for remaining all we are going to dividing it. So it produces AS and S produces B, A produces SA and again A produces A. So these are the productions and these are called as augmented grammar. Augmented grammar creation is just taking one hyphen symbol for the starting address with the same starting symbol for this with the same starting symbol. Then after that we are going to add the dot for each production. These are all the productions, guys. So for this we are going to add the dot for it. So how to add the dot? At its starting position we are going to add the dot. C dot S dot AS dot B dot SA dot A. So here just add the dot to itself at the first place. After that it is going to calling as the I naught. So these all productions are calling as the I naught. Then just check here we need to shift the dot to the final state. Final state means we need to shift the dot in front of the symbol or in front of the symbol what they give until we get the final state. So final state means after that we shouldn't get any non-terminals or terminals. We shouldn't get any terminals or non-terminals. First of all, try to change for the yes. That how do we write, guys? Go to I naught comma yes. That means for in I naught state, in that I naught yes for the so I naught with yes. First of all, I am going to do for the I naught with yes. So here what we need to do, just shift this dot in front of the yes. So I shifted it. So what I got the final state. So I got the final state. Check if any dot is present in front of the yes, automatically shift it. See here dot is present but the dot is present in front of the A. So we don't want to shift anything. After that here B dot is present in front of the B. So we don't want to change it. After that dot is present in front of the yes. So we need to change this position. How we are going to change? See here. Yes dot A. Yes dot A. So after yes we are going to shifting the dot. Now see, guys, for this last position before A it is present. So until here these are the two steps at where we are going to shift the dot. After that check if after dot if any terminals non-terminals are present, just write their productions. After dot if you have any non-terminals, write their productions. So here for first yes dot there are no any productions, that means non-terminals. We don't want or don't need to write anything. So after that for this dot there is one non-terminal, that is A. Write the productions of A. So these are the two productions of A. I just wrote them here. After that, check again after dot. If any non-terminals are present, write their productions again. So here after dot, again yes we have, write the S productions again. So that's it guys. If check if any non-terminals in front of the non-terminal, if any dot present, write their productions. See here, it is terminal, it is non-terminal. For this A already we have their production, so no need to write. After this it is completed guys, it is a terminal, we don't want to write anything. That means here we just need to check that if any dot present in front of any non-terminal, we are going to write their all productions. So until we get no productions are, that means no productions are left. So after that, I am just naming it as I0 guys. Then leave it. We completed for yes. Now again check for in I0 only. We just completed yes. Next thing is A. Next thing is A. For A, we need to write the go to state. See here, in go to state, that is I0 comma A. That means in I0 state, we are checking for A. So check for how many states A has a dot in front of it. So see here, in this only one and only one place we have dot in front of A. Check for here also there is a yes in front of A. So what we are going to write, only here this dot is going to shifting to this place. After A we are going to shift, that is A dot yes. Next, here we don't have any A productions, that means we don't have any dot in front of the A. Next, I check here, for this dot there is a non-terminal, write its productions. So for this dot there is again non-terminal and write its production. That's it guys. Here you need to follow only two steps. One is, if any dot is present in front of the non-terminal, in front of any non-terminal, write its all productions. Write its all productions. If any dot is, second thing is, if any dot is present in front of the terminal, there is no need to write its productions. So first of all we need to check how many dots are present in front of the non-terminals. So now I am going to naming it as the I2. So I2 guys. In the same way, what we need to do guys? Here again small b is there. For this b also we need to change the dot. How you are going to change guys? That is, how to write, go to I0 comma small b. That means what we are going to do, s derives b dot. It's completed. So after dot we don't have any non-terminals. So there is no need to write its all productions. I am just simply naming it as I3. So after that again yes I have. But yes, I already completed here. That means in I0 yes I already completed. Then here at last I have small a. For that a I am going to write I0 of comma a, that is a derives a dot. It is also completed guys, because it is the final state, there are no any non-terminals here. So this is the final state, I am naming it as the I4. So after this, after completion of this I4, now what we need to do guys? For all states of I0 we are completed. For I0 we are completed. Now just move to the I1 state. So I1 state means, in I1 state, check if any dots are present in front of the non-terminal, we need to shift those all dots to the end of it. So to the end of it, how we are going to changing guys? Again what we are going to take, go to of I1 comma A, that is for capital A I have dot in front of it. So for that A derives yes capital A dot. So after that there are no any non-terminals, this is the final state. So we don't want to write any productions of it. This is the I5. Now check if any in front of any A's there is any dots. See guys, here again for A, here again one dot is there, so shift it. What we are going to do, S derives A dot S. So A dot S means here after dot there is again S. So write all the S productions. What are the S productions guys here? S derives dot EAS, S derives dot B, and here after that, after A again, that means in front of A again dot is there. So write all the A productions dot SA, A derives dot A. Like this, guys, in the same way, after completion of I1, just after completion of I1 states of all dots, that means you need to shift all dots to the end of the string. After that, just to move to I2 state. After that, I3 and I4, but in I3 and I4, these are all the final states. There is no need to compute for this. Next, again, if any new state is arrived, just naming it as I6, I7, like that, we are going to continuing this process. So, like this in the way for I1s, I1 small a, and for all these I1a, these are all the new states again I got, but here in I1 of small a, I got again the same answer. So, I replaced that with the I4. If any states repeated in before only, then we are going to naming it with the repeating names only, guys. Like that here also I3. So in the same way, next thing I found for I2. For I2S, I2A, I2B, I2A and I2S. So after that, completion of this, just move to I4, I3. So like this, it is very simple, guys. Up to this process, I think you all understood. Thank you for watching my video. In my next video, I am going to say about how to find the first and follow of these productions and action go to, and after that whatever the construction of finite automata, and how to compute this input symbol, how to compute this input symbol, I am going to explain in my next video. Thank you.